Looking for the best kit for your Bronco? We've got ride coilovers and upper control arms for you. These parts were designed to work together for the best on-road and off-road performance, with our upper control arms fitting around our massive reservoir lines to give you the best possible performance. This kit is designed to fit up to 37-inch tires with multiple spring rate options for a level ride height for your Bronco. Our rear coilovers and springs have the longest travel to give you the most off-road performance, flex, and road comfort possible. Ride shocks come with a detailed installation guide for you or your installer. We also include a separate setup guide to make sure that you get the level ride height that you're looking for. We've put a lot of work into the weight range guides to make sure that you get the right springs for your Bronco. If you're not sure, make sure to put your year, make, model, and modifications into the box below. We'll make sure that a ride shocks expert goes through and gets you the perfect coilovers for your Bronco. Thanks for watching this video. If you thought these products were cool, keep an eye on our newsletter for anything new that we come out with. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us by email, going to our newsletter, or going on our social media feeds.